Protected area. Question 1. Consider the following statements about Secure Himalayas project. 1. The project was launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change, MoEFC, in association with the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. 2. It is aimed solely for the conservation of locally and globally significant biodiversity, land and forest resources in the northeastern Himalayan ecosystem. 3. The project supports the Global Snow Leopard Ecosystem Protection Program, GSLEP. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding vulture conservation. 1. India is a member of Saving Asia's Vultures from Extinction (SAVE) program and also a signatory to the Convention on Migratory Species Multispecies Action Plan to conserve African Eurasian vultures. 2. Use of diclofenac drug is one of the prominent causes for the declining population of vultures, but the Indian government has allowed its use till 2018. 3. Action Plan for Vulture Conservation 2020 to 2025 aim to establish additional conservation breeding centers along with vulture conservation centers in India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding tiger conservation. 1. Project Tiger has been converted into a non-statutory authority, National Tiger Conservation Authority, NTCA, by providing enabling provisions in the Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. 2. India is a part of CA Vertical Bar TS or Conservation Assured Vertical Bar Tiger Standards, which is a globally accepted conservation tool agreed by the Global Coalition of Tiger Range Countries. 3. India hosted the International Tiger Youth Summit 2022 to honor tigers and the young people who are speaking out in support of tigers. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements with reference to the High Altitude Tiger, HAT, project. 1. It is an initiative of the Government of India in collaboration with Global Tiger Forum, GTF, to assist the population of tigers in high-altitude areas. 2. The initiative will track the tiger population concerning the geographical expanse of India and Nepal only. Which of the above-mentioned statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Ozone depletion. Question 5. With reference to solar radiation management, consider the following statements. 1. Its aim is to reduce the inflow of solar energy, rather than to reduce global warming by reducing greenhouse gases. 2. Stratospheric aerosol injection and whitening clouds could reflect away inbound sunlight and cool the planet. 3. Low and thick clouds reflect shortwave radiation back to space. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Recently, ozone depletion is a high concern among environmentalists. Observe the following effects of ozone depletion. 1. Damage in DNA mutations. 2. Damage to cornea and causes retinal diseases. 3. Decline the forest productivity. 4. Reduces the survival rate of plankton in oceans. 5. Inhibits photosynthesis. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. B. 1, 3 and 5 only. C. 2, 4 and 5 only. D. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding greenhouse gases. 1. Carbon dioxide is the biggest overall contributor to the greenhouse effects. 2. Nitrous oxide is only generated through natural resources and contributes to the greenhouse effect. 3. Black carbon harms the atmosphere as it stays in the atmosphere for decades. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding methane. 1. Methane is a short-lived climate pollutant. SLCP, with an atmospheric lifetime of roughly a decade. 2. Global Methane Initiative is a voluntary government and an informal international partnership created to achieve global reduction in anthropogenic methane. 3. India has recently joined the Global Methane Pledge, under which countries cut their methane emissions by at least 30%. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 only. Question 9. Consider the following statements about ozone depletion. 1. Tropospheric ozone is formed naturally through the interaction of solar ultraviolet radiation with oxygen, whereas stratospheric ozone is formed primarily from photochemical reactions between volatile organic compounds, VOC, and nitrogen oxides, NOx. 2. The rate at which ozone is being destroyed is much faster than the rate at which it is being formed. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.